4. Stop loss order. An order to sell a security when it reaches a certain price, limiting potential losses. Example: setting a stop loss at 111.50 for a long EUR/USD position opened at 1-1200 limits your loss to 50 pips. 5. Take profit order. An order to close a position when it reaches a certain profit level. Example: setting a take profit at 1.1250 for a long EUR/USD position locks in a 50 pip gain. Section 5. Essential Forex Trading Strategies. 1. Trend trading. Identifying and following the direction of the market trend. Example: if EUR/USD is in an uptrend, you might look for buying opportunities. 2. Range trading. Trading between support and resistance levels. Example: if USD/JPY is ranging between 110.00 and 112.00, you could buy at 110.00 and sell at 112.00. 3. Carry trade. Borrowing in a low interest rate currency and investing in a high interest rate currency. Example: borrowing Japanese yen, low interest, to buy Australian dollars, high interest. 4. Breakout trading. Entering a position when the price breaks through a key level of support or resistance. Example: buying GBP/USD if it breaks above a resistance level at 1.4000. Section 6. Tips for successful Forex trading. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Read books, watch videos, and stay updated with the latest market news. Example: follow economic indicators like GDP, employment rates, and central bank policies. 2. Start with a demo account. Practice trading without risking real money. Example: most brokers offer demo accounts where you can trade virtual money. 3. Develop a trading plan. Outline your strategy, including entry and exit points, risk management, and trade size. Example: plan to risk only 1-2% of your trading capital on any single trade. 4. Manage risk. Use stop-loss orders and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Example: if your account balance is $10,000, risking 2% means your maximum loss per trade is $200. 5. Stay disciplined. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional trading. Example: don't chase losses or deviate from your strategy due to market volatility. Ready to explore the exciting world of Forex trading and take control of your financial future? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of savvy traders. Your journey to financial success starts now. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials, market insights, and trading strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's navigate the Forex market and achieve financial success.